Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here problem solving of exercise 6.1 linear inequalities exercise. Question number 1 to 4 has been completed in last lecture. Today I am taking question number 5th. Question number 5 is different type questions. First we will solve value of the x, then we will write the solution set of the x and how to represent on the number lines these solutions. First you solve the value of the x, second you will be solution set, and third represent the solution set on number line. In this way you will solve this question number 5th. Exercise 6 part 2, solve the inequalities for x belong here. Here x is real numbers. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Now start the solution here. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. One thing's here 4x, here 5x. Some rules of the inequalities similar to equations. When you transferring left to right, right to left, the sign will be not affected of the inequalities. Sign will be not affected the inequalities when you transferring the any variable number left to right, otherwise right to left. Then sign will be not changed of inequalities. The first 5x transferring the left side, what will be here? Minus 5x plus 3 less than 7. This sign will be not changed. This will be same that only you are transferring rules of the inequalities, same rules of the equations. What left here? Minus x plus 3 less than 7. Away, how to remove this? Then you transferring this side, otherwise you add addition, subtraction both side 3. Minus x plus 3 minus 3 less than minus 3. What is value here? Minus x less than 4. But here negative sign. How to remove this negative sign? When you multiply other divide by negative numbers. So now when you multiply negative minus 1 here, this sign will be changed greater than 4 minus 1. And divide by negative sign, because this negative sign will be cancelled. Then sign of the inequality is reversed. When you divide the negative integers, then sign will be reversed. What is the left here? Sign minus 4. The value of the x is here greater than minus 4. So what is the solution set? Now solution set of given inequality is, given equality is x here belong is the real number, then you will write here open interval minus 4 to infinite. Because value of the x greater than minus 4, value of the x greater than minus 4, so this means minus 4 is not including, and so the minimum value of this x is minus 3, or maximum value is not given here, maximum limit here not defined. So this is the minus 4 or infinite, this is your open interval, that means minus 4 and 8 is not included here, between value of this included. How to represent on the number line here? Here minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash, and also dash here. So minus 4 is not including here. Then you will represent here. This will represent in this way. Follow sheet. and 4 this way. It means on the number line this will be represent here minus hollow sign represent here कि minus hollow sign this hollow sign represent here it is minus 4 is not included. When you include, suppose you are in closed interval, then how to represent this? This will be represented here minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 dash dash. Suppose this 4 is included, then we'll fill this in this way. This is the difference of this. Hollow sign here represent this 4 is not including. Hollow sign represent कि minus 4 is not including, or dark symbol represent 4 is including. So this is not your solution. Your solution is this. So how to represent number line? This solution how to represent number line here? Minus 4 onward means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This represent the arrow here. No limit of the positive direction, but negative direction having the limit here. Minus 4 is not including 3. Or suppose you are including in this question also in this way. Minus 4 is not included means less than this number including. So don't use in this way. Okay, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, real minus 2. Okay, don't use in this way. Don't in this way. Okay, minus 4 is not including, but these are the parts of the real number. These are including now. These are parts of the between 4 and 3. This is the including. Don't use in this way. This is the wrong. This will be correct. Only minus 4 not including, but rest will be the including. 4 upon 10, minus 4 upon 100, 4 upon this part. Then toward the minus 3, this all part will be including. Yes, note down you. This is your number line written on the solution of this part. This is also solution of your part. Just note down. Then next questions. Yes, student. Next question I am taking question number 8 here. Same question. X belong here R, and this question here greater than equal symbol here. The equal symbol is starting here. Then start the solution. 3, 2 minus x greater than equal to 2, 1 minus x. First of all, you will multiply inside, then you transfer here. 3 to the 6 minus 3x greater than equal 2 minus 2x. Simple things. This inside the multiply both sides here. After that, you will transfer in constant number one side and variable number other side. The 2 will transfer in left side to 6 minus 2 greater than equal. This sign will be same, sign will not change. And minus 2x, this will be going plus 3x. This minus move in plus, or this plus move in the minus. What is left here? 4 greater than equal to x. Means x less than equal to 4. This is the symbol of this. Value of the x, 4 is greater than this. Means value of this less than equal to 4. What is the solution set? Solution set, here equal sign using here. Solution set equal minus 4 is greater than greatest value 4, 3, all the number 4 into minus infinite to minus infinite to 4. A 4 year closed interval. Minus infinite to 4 means 4 year using, because here equal symbol using, then 4 also here using. So how to represent on the number line here? This is dash 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So minus 4 plus 4 here including. This means this will be represented this way. This will be dark here. You will fill here the dark because they are closed interval. Here using the closed interval symbol, then you will figure dark. Don't leave it the hollow here. Then means more than, less than, or for every number. This is not limit -3, -2, -100, -200. But this is your solution set answer. In this way you will solve the question. Every question, suppose less than, greater than, this is not matter. Every question you will solve in this way. First you will find the value of the x. Suppose less than, greater than, any symbol or equal symbol, then you find the solution set, then you will find the on number lines. Just note down the next questions. Yes, then next question I am taking question number 20 here. Solve the following questions for x belongs R, and this question how to solve. Suppose in this type question come in the exam, then how to solve? First you will be solve the RHS part, then you will cross multiplication, then you find the value of the x. First of all, solution. X upon 2 greater than equal 5x minus 2 upon 3, 7x minus 3 upon 5. Taking LCM here, x upon 2 greater than, what LCM over here? 15. 3 and 5 LCM 15 here. Here multiply by 5, 5x minus 2, and here multiply by 3, 7x multiply 7x. 3 and 5 LCM is the 15, here multiply by 5, here multiply by 3. Then multiply here x upon 2 greater than equal 5 5 is 25x, 5 2 is 10, 7 3 is 20x, minus minus plus 3 3 is 9 upon 15. Next x upon 2 multiplication here work complete, then you calculate here 25 is 21 minus 4x plus 4x and 10 plus 19 minus 1 upon 15. What is left here? 25 minus 24 or 10 minus 9 is 1. Then cross multiplication here 15x equal 4x minus 1 into 2. What is then 15x equal to greater than 4 to the 8x minus 2. 4 to the 8 minus 2. 8 transferring the LHS 15x minus 8x greater than equal to minus 2. What is left here? 7x greater than equal to minus 2. Here, so after subtracting this 7x and here minus 2 here same. Then how to remove this 7? The 7x upon 7 greater than equal to minus 2 upon 7. So this where positive integer, the sign will not change. The x greater than equal to minus 2 upon 7. So then this is your solution set. What is the solution set? Yes, students. So this is the value of the x less x is minus 2 is greater than value of the x. This means the solution set. Solution set equal. This is the negative integers here greater than this. This means minus 2 upon 7 greater than. So minus infinite minus 2 upon 7 to infinite. Minus 2 upon 7 to infinite. The positive value means positive value is infinite or minus 7 is the lowest value here. So then you can find in this way your answer. This is the closed interval because using here equal sign, or this is the open interval. This is the open interval symbol. This is the open interval. The infinite is not including here. Yes, it's not down. Then next question. Yes, class. Next question I am taking what problem here? Question number 21st. Okay, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first two tests, unit test. Find the minimum marks we should get in the third test to have an average at least 60 marks. When you solve the question, word problem type questions, first you will read the question carefully, one time, two times, then you understand what things given, what things you find, and what condition you given here, at least condition, at most condition. Two condition here, we are given at least condition 60 marks. First things here is in three tests, two test marks are given, 70 and 75 marks. So how many marks should we get? Then average, this is the average as at least 60 marks, means minimum average will be 60, minimum 60 marks, 60 marks will be average of the three tests. The average will be three tests of this should be minimum 60 marks, means more than 60 or minimum 60. At least 60 means, what do you mean at least 60 means? Average of the three tests will be minimum 60, otherwise more than 60. But then here condition given, first of all, first two test marks given, marks of first two test, unit test, are 75 and 70 and 75. The left and average marks of three tests. Three tests 60 or more than, 60 or more than, at least here we can, at least means 60 and more than, minimum marks 60 and more than. Then let the marks of third unit test be X. Let the marks of third unit test be X. So first two test marks and three test marks. Then you find the average of the three test marks, ATQ, according to questions. Average marks of three tests. Average marks of three tests, unit test, is greater than equal to 60. Why I am using the 60 means 60 is minimum and more than 60 is possible, including minimum marks of 60 and otherwise more than 60 is possible. What is the marks is first 70 marks plus 75 marks plus X marks. How to find the average? Divide by how many subjects here? Unit test 1, 2, 3. Then divide by 3 here. Then greater than equal to 60. Then you cross multiply here. Addition here 0 plus 5, 7 plus 14 plus X. Greater than equal to 60 into 3. This 3 cross multiplication here. Then 145 plus X greater than equal to 180. Transferring the 145 right side, X is greater than 180 minus 145. X is greater than equal to 10 minus 5, 7 minus 14, 35. The marks will be, Ravi, should we get the marks 35 or more than marks in the third test? Yes, you note down it. So, how to write the answer here? First you note down it. Then how to write the answer of this question here? X is greater than 35 marks. It means the Ravi should we get 35 or greater than or equal to 35 marks in third unit test. What do you mean this as greater than equal to 35? It means Ravi should we get greater than or 35 marks in third unit test. But this is your final answer. If you write only you leave in this side, then half marks will be deducted. You will be explaining what do you mean of this x. This is the mean of the x here. Ki Ravi should be get greater than equal to 35 marks in third unit test. You will write in this step, then you will get the half marks. Otherwise, you will leave the answer in this step, then half marks will be deducted. This is very careful. You write the complete answer. The complete answer here that Ravi should be get greater than or equal to 35 marks in third unit test. This is your final answer. Yes, please note down. Every word problem you solve in this method and inequalities of the linear equations. Yes, note down the next questions.